Hey y'all, it's Aaliyah with another video. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoy what I put together. So to keep this intro short and simple, in this video I did a quick recording of a wig install on my girl Layla and with my friend Kiana in the back. Check out Kiana's business called Say Frosted on Instagram. I will leave her business information in the description box. Let's get into it. So after I already done laid down my little cap or whatever, I like to clean. Well, you know what? Everybody should do this. Clean that hairline before you lay that wig down, okay? Because that's the only way that wig is gonna be secured. I like to clean the hairline up with Seabreeze, and I use Boho products. So with that being said, I use Boho Skin Protect Spray before I lay down the actual glue. Now, even before laying down that glue, you want to make sure that frontal lays down on that hairline correctly. And yeah, make sure that junk looking right. Now, this is one of the most important steps of the install. Laying down this glue. So when I lay down my glue, I like to lay down 3 layers of glue, 3 or 4. Since it's hot out, you know, Georgia weather don't play. Georgia weather don't play. It's wish-washy. You gotta layer up, okay? And when you layer up, make sure you are doing nice thin layers. You do not have to put a whole glob of glue on the hairline. That's how it lifts up easily. Okay, so each time you put a layer it down thin. You can use a rat tail comb, you can use the popsicle stick, you can use your finger. It's really a preference, but I like to do it this way because it's less messy and it's safe. Now I am beginning to lay this lace to the quad. Yes. So as you notice, yes, I do cut the lace prior to me laying it down. It just makes it much more easier. And yeah, so as you're laying it down, y'all do not be afraid to press down with your finger. That's how you get it secure, bro. That's it. Like, that's the magic step. The press, the finger press. You have to do the finger press. So as you see, there is a lot of excess lace going past her ears. I just go in and snap that junk off. You don't need all that. You do not need all that. Do y'all see that hairline though? Like, what? I haven't even laid it. I didn't even lay it yet. You hear me? Crazy. Ooh, laid. Yes, you gotta lay it with that band. This band here, yes. I am gonna find some type of way to give y'all access to these bands. These bands are everything, especially when sleeping. It lays your lace so well and keeps it protected. Yes. So you already kind of see what's going on. You see what's going on. We're giving straight, bone straight, little bust down. Yes. I like going with that blow dryer. Going with that blow dryer and get it bone freaking straight from the blow dryer. Like, yes. That's where you get all that flow from. That shine and that flow. And the flatness as well. Yeah. Put you on. I just want you to see this. Boom. Alright. Time to reveal the magic. That looks great. But it's still excess lace on that hairline, girl. We gotta cut that off. I like to go in and use a razor. I do not recommend anyone to work with the razor if you are not familiar with it. It is super duper sharp. You can cut yourself really bad and really easily. So this is probably my favorite part. I'm not gonna lie. I wasn't really into baby hairs because like I really like the natural look, the no baby hair look. But then I started kind of getting into it because like it just kind of gives it like a cute aesthetic. Like I don't know, like it's still, as long as the install is like, you know, on some bust down, so like it just look good. Edges even look good too, so it don't even matter, like, you know, because in real life, y'all, we do not have edges like this. We really don't, unless we actually cut them ourselves. We do not have edges like this, bro. But yeah, people how I do these edges. Yes. Period. Y'all, I'm about to have to, I'm gonna have classes soon. I promise. I'm gonna have classes soon. 101 classes coming up this summer. Stay tuned. Turn my post notifications on. I am David. This is the part that I love to do. Shaping the baby hairs. Now, shaping baby hairs with foam though can be it can be kind of intimidating because your lace can definitely lift if you do not shape your baby hairs quick enough. And once that lace is lifted, honey, you can almost hang it up with the install. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, you have to go through really quick. While that lace is still melting and the baby hairs are shaping, I go in and start styling the whole head. I go in with my flat irons. I love to use my EAP heat flat iron. This is the final product. Yes, this masterpiece. This hair that she brought me was really, really, really good. She was promoting it, or actually doing like a shoot with it, or just, if I'm not mistaken, it was something like that. It was close to that. But yeah, this hair was gorgeous. I love it. This install was everything. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank you for tuning in. If you watched this video all the way through, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment. And if you like these type of install videos, let me know below. And I will definitely continue to do them.